my loves, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your very first time here, my name is Rethabile, but I am known as Rethabz. So in today's video, guys, we are going to create this amazing soft glam look, guys. I'm sure you cannot wait to see how I have created this amazing look, guys. This is the best, like this is the best. You can also see, like, this is the best. This look was just on my mind, like I didn't expect it to come out this way. So if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe, like, and click the bell button to be notified every time when my videos goes out. So without me wasting any more time, let's get straight into this tutorial. Please don't mind my background. I'm home, so it's a new background. Yeah, as you can see. So I just hope that the lighting is good and everything. So let's first start with the eyes on today's look, and I'm going to bring you a little bit closer so that you can see. So for my eyeshadow base, I am going to use the Signature Eye Perfect eyeshadow base, and I'm going to blend it with my beauty blender. I'm going to set the eyeshadow base with the Revlon Candid setting powder in number 2. So now I am going to use Playgirl single eyeshadow palette number PGSE 106, and the name is Yushin, something like that. So it's those single eyeshadows from Playgirl, and the pigment is on another level, guys. With these ones, the pigment is amazing. So I'm just going to apply this shade on my, just right next to my crease. And I'm also going to drag it on the inner part of my eye. So I'm going to blend this shade using this pink and this other pink from Cauliflower Cosmetic palette. I'm first going to start with the darker pink, then I'm going to go in with the lighter pink. So with regards to applying this shade, it's all about going back and forth with the shades, and until you achieve your desired pigment. So like right now, as you can see that the purple, the dark purple, is no longer showing that much, so which means I have to go back in with that shade. I was not aware that the camera was not recording when I was busy with this eye. So I'm going to apply this Catrice Cosmetics all round concealer palette. I'm going to use this shade just to apply it right in the middle of the crease so that we can get enough pigment from the neon eyeshadow palette. Now I am going to apply the pink from this neon eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use a blending brush to apply this shade so that I can get the pigment that I do want. Now I am going to blend out this shade using the very same brush that I have used to apply the purple shade. Now I am going to apply this Signature Cosmetics eyeliner and then we are done with the eye look. So now we are moving to the face. I'm already loving the eyes, guys. You can see the pop. So amazing. It is my first time doing this, but let's just finish and see the results. So I am going to use the Passion Pro Partner in Prime Matte Pore Minimizing Face Primer. This is the one that I am going to use. I'm just going to apply it, but you have to basically apply it on the areas that you know that your skin produces a lot of oil. And please don't mind me when I look up there. There's a mirror there so that I can be able to see you guys, because I don't have my laptop with me, so I had to use the mirror. So as I was saying, you have to make sure that the primer, you apply it mostly on the areas that you know that your skin produces a lot of oil. And if you know that you have a sensitive skin, I advise you to use a brush instead of using your hands when applying this shade. I mean this primer, or any primer of your choice. So now I am going to apply foundation. As you know me, I always apply Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 344. It's Home Ginger. And I am going to use a beauty blender to blend this shade. I do not like to apply foundation right under my eyes because I don't want to have too much product under my eyes, since well I'm still going to apply concealer. And you find that sometimes I decide to use two concealers which has a different shade. So imagine you have foundation, now you're going to use high coverage concealers under your eyes, so you will end up looking cakey during the day. So to avoid that, I just don't apply any foundation at all. So now I am going to apply concealer. I'm going to highlight. First going to start with the signature liquid concealer in the shade Caramello, and then going to go in with Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 35. I just hope you can all see that. So this signature cosmetic concealer, it dries out very fast. It's the same as the foundation, so I do advise you to apply one side, then blend, then go on the underside and blend. Just blend as you go. So now I am going to set my concealer and then I'm going to bake. It's been a while since I baked, so I'm going in with a beauty blender first. So now I am going to use this contour palette to contour, and I'm going to use this shade Golden and Mocha. It's Mocha or Mocha, whatever, these two. So on my nose I'm going to use this one, and on my cheek I'm going to define my cheeks. I'm going to use this golden shade. So now I'm going to use this Playgirl single eyeshadow. I'm going to use the shade Tornado. It's just a red eyeshadow. I'm just going to use it as my blush because nowadays, guys, I am a blush person. So now I am going to set everything using Rimmel London Lasting Finish Long Wear Pressed Powder. I'm just going to apply it all over the face and blend everything together. So now I'm going to set my face using Rimmel London Lasting Finish Fix and Go setting spray. This setting spray, guys, is so amazing. And it is one of the drugstore setting spray. While I'm still waiting for my eyelashes to get dry, I'm going to apply a black eyeliner. So for the lips, my loves, I am going to use Signature Power Stay Liquid Matte Lips, which is Braille, I think I pronounced it well. It's Braille. This one is a nude, and I'm going to apply this nude lip liner. Is a purple like lip liner, purple to brown lip liner. So to highlight, I'm going to use Signature Bronzer, Radiant Glow for body, for face and body, Sunkissed and Sandwiches. And anyways, I'm going to use this one in the middle, this one, because of it's a more like a purplish kind of a shade. I just hope it's showing on the camera. Okay, my loves, this is the final look. I just hope that you have enjoyed creating this amazing soft glam with me, guys. Like I'm feeling myself. This look is so amazing. It was just on my mind. Like I didn't expect it to come out this way. Like it's the result for me, baby. And I just hope that you have enjoyed it as much as I've enjoyed creating this look. And guys, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. So this is the end of our tutorial, and I am going to see you on my next video, guys. Goodbye.